It is not refreshing out here this morning. Even at 9 a.m. it's not refreshing. Not refreshing at all. And we did have that rain last night. I didn't look to see how much it was. It wasn't over an inch like the day before, but it rained enough. Marty and Stripe are walking somewhere. They were in the house and ate, so I guess they're not starving. And here's my sweet Morris. Hey, Morris. Good boy. Good boy. Every morning it makes me very pleased that you are so acclimated now. You won't know what to do with yourself not having to share the corner with Marty. Let's see the rain gauge. Yeah, it's just 1/10 of an inch. It was enough to wet everything though. There's nothing drying out here today, so everything is still wet from that 1/10 of an inch. Yeah, really, things have not dried. Hey, buddy. Good morning. How are you? Well, everything's looking good today. Just going to be another scorcher with a chance of afternoon thunderstorms. Guess we'll see. Hi. Hello, good morning. How's my sweet girl? Every time I come in to see her with Johnny, she's in the little pink bed and she's kneading away and a happy girl. She is a very happy girl most of the time. And they're doing some sort of extra work in the park today. I was hoping they were going to trim that branch back there a little bit because they seem to be doing that on some other trees. So we parked not in our typical spot. It's hot out here. It's 10:30 a.m. It's sunny. It's summer. It's humid. I'm ready for fall. Seriously. We had a nice spring this year though. No complaints about that. And we're not overly dry. No complaints about that. It's just, you know, hard to be out here in the summer sun to get in our walk is all. It's just not, you know, easy on us. It is exercise, I know, but the humidity is difficult. It's all hands on deck up there at the splash pad today. Very busy and full, exactly how you want to see it on a hot summer's day.
I really hope they add another splash pad at that new place.
Yeah, we could use a second one in Fuquay. Yeah, it's really great. They charge $2 for the day if you don't live in the city. And if you can prove residency, it's free. That seems totally fair to me. Like I said, it's really busy. There's over 100 kids up there.
Yeah. The only thing you need is more shade.
Right, they could use a little more shade. The pavilion, they could use another shelter on this side, I guess, but because of the way of the land, it doesn't work. Maybe behind it. The one shelter and the couple of umbrellas are helpful, but more shade would be good too. 1 foot in front of the other. I've got the first of 3 laps done.
One. On our second lap.
Yeah, oh, you weren't talking about feet. He didn't hear me. He was talking about 1. Yep, we've got 1 done.
2 to go.
Too bad it's not 1 and done today. Well, I didn't even think about my back as I put my vest on or anything today, so I must not have any residual issues from the baseball, even though it stung really good yesterday through the weight vest. Oh, thank goodness. We just reached the shady part on the trail again. Got out of that sunny spot back there. It's a rather longish stretch in the sun.
Yeah, but it's downhill.
Yeah.
Going up.
Yeah. That is so so pretty. It is. It's so pretty. I knew it was going to overflow a little bit, and I made it in a pretty cup anyway. Don will just have to deal. This one's for him. So I got my work cut out for me this afternoon. I need to move a piece of furniture in Johnny's room, and that means some cleaning and some sorting and Johnny going through some clothes, and it's just better to do it while he's still home. So it's not fun or exciting or something really great to show you, but I am working hard in the back of the house today, right? Right? Yeah, you're helping, sort of. That's the snippet I'm willing to share. It's all neat and organized and hung up and folded. And now look, it's not because Johnny doesn't keep his stuff good, because he's excellent with his things. It's just that it really needed sorting to know what to take. You know, the every 6 months overhaul and a little bit extra. So anyway, 3 or 4 hours later, I'm done. And that's not all we did. I'm sorry.
You're gonna get me all wet.
I'm sorry. I'll shut the door behind you.
Yeah, you probably should have to do that.
Yeah. It's 6:50 and Johnny gets out of class at 7 and Jules is washed now. I had a shower and I basically collapsed afterward, but I'm gonna start cooking while Don goes and gets Johnny from Taekwondo. He took him and he's picking him up. I'm making those teriyaki shish kebabs tonight. Gonna do some onion in the cast iron skillet, and yeah, we're all working on some hunger now. So I gotta cook. Time to rest is over, but I did close my eyes for a few minutes. Shish kebabs, I'm just gonna bake them. Our gas grill needs attention and I just don't care about dealing with it. I'd rather cook them in the oven. Here's the Vidalia onions, one of my favorite things. It's like the 5th food group. And I have Lego packages today. I'm gonna open them up. Hopefully the plate for the roof is in there. I need sour cream, and Don was gonna go back up to Dollar General and try to buy some. But it's decided to absolutely deluge out there right now. So hopefully he's gonna sit in the car and wait for a minute, because I got time for him to do that. Well, this is from a local brick sellers, EMS Bricks, and well, this is from another one of my favorite sellers. The plate for the roof's not here. That's all right. Well, there's no way we had anything less than an inch, and all of the drainage going on is pretty serious right now. I mean, no worries ever here. We, you know, the creek is really deep down there, like 2 or 3 feet, 4 feet even in some places, and it's wide, and then there's the slope down, but you can hear it. We probably had 2 inches of rain. It was some serious rain. Are you okay, buddy? I see a spider web in on your head there. Let me clear that for you. I come out to check on you. Marty and Stripe came to the back door, not drenched or anything, but a little wet. And I've dried them off with the towel. They were both crying. I'm like, guys, if you'd have come to the door when it was starting, I would have let you in. You could have been in the house the whole time. They got lots of places to go. But yeah, mostly I think what got them is not the rain, it was the booming. And then poor Don, you know, his wife ran out of sour cream on shish kebab night, fajita night, and he went up to Dollar General. He waited it out for a while because there might have been hail. There wasn't. He went to the Dollar General. They're closed again. They've been closed a lot. I hear it's because they can't get enough help. I don't know. But you can't count on it being open. You just can't. They close on a whim up there now. And he had to go up to Food Lion, which, if you're keeping track, was where he was when he picked up Johnny from Taekwondo, although it was raining. So, anyway, he was a really good sport about it, like he would have expected him to be, but goodness gracious, he had to really work for his dinner tonight.
Well, the creek is definitely rushing. That was some kind of storm that we got. You can see it's almost up to that black pipe. Also, there's a pretty good limb down here that which is why I actually got out of the car. Got to get it out of the way so I can get by.
Tuxie, where are you? Tuxie! Oh, Tux! It's safe to come out. Tuxie! I think he's under the porch. When I let Stripe in, I thought they were fussing. Let's see how much it says we got. Oh, baby. That would be 2 inches. That would be 2 inches.
Oh, I got my phone.
I was going to say Best Husband of the Year award.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I got you a good video of the creek.
You did? Cool. I got a video of the corner up here. It's 2 inches.
2 inches of rain.
2 inches and what? An hour?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was coming down.
2 inches, yeah. Well, there's Morris. He's come out of his hiding spot for all. Oh, there's Tux.
Yeah.
So they were somewhere together. That's a little scary. Hi, I'm just making sure all my babies are good. Here comes Stripe back outside. Hi, Tux. Hey, buddy, let me come get you. You're all dry. I think they were under the cat hotel. Well, wherever Tux and Morris were, they were a lot drier than Stripe and Marty. Although they were not soaked, they just had like splash-on water on their fur. So I mommied them. It's okay. You just stay calm now. Don't look upset like that. It's fine. I promise. It's all good. It's all good.